Welcome to Fareclock, where we automate timekeeping and control attendance. Hi there, I'm Shine. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through downloading and installing the mobile time clock application. Let us start by exploring how to download and install the mobile time clock application. The first one is the pre-installation by the admin. Go to the Fareclock admin console and go to Settings. Under Settings, find and click the User section and select the worker for whom you want to send the link for installation. After selecting the user, you will find a settings option underneath where you can locate personal device settings. Tick the box next to Enable Personal Device. Once you check the box, the following will appear on your screen. Provide the required information including your mobile number and/or email. The admin must also select the personal device mode for that specific account. Now, I will walk you through the 4 personal device mode in Fareclock. The first mode is the personal time clock, face or pin required. In here, only this user will be able to clock in or out on this device. The usual face recognition or pin will be required. Next is the personal time clock, no face or pin. Same as the first one, that only this user will be able to clock in and out on this device, but no face recognition and PIN will be used. The third one is the reports only. Users will not be able to clock in or out on this device, but can view reports on personal total hours and schedule. Finally is the group time clock. This device will function as a regular time clock that anyone can use within the organization to clock in and out. Next step, select one of the reinstall permission. Either allow the administrator to send a link or permit users to enter their own email or phone number in the app to receive a new code. After providing all the necessary information, click Save and Close at the bottom of the page. After clicking it, a window will prompt you with a Send Device Activation Link option. You can either copy the link and save it for your records or send the link to the email provided in the user's data. Once you click Send Email to the provided address, the system will automatically send an email to it. Moving forward in the installation setup for Android users. Upon clicking the installation link, you will be directed to Google Play Store and you need to download the application. After downloading it, press Enable and then Open. You will be directed to a Confirm Setup page and you need to verify your organization, username, and language selection. Once everything is confirmed, tap Confirm to proceed. You are all set. Welcome to Fareclock. Now, let's have the installation set up for Apple users. When you click the link, you will be directed to the App Store where you need to download the application. After downloading it, press Open. You will be directed to a Confirm Setup page and you need to verify your organization, username, and language selection. Once everything is confirmed, tap Confirm to proceed. You are all set. Welcome to Fareclock. Before getting started, you need to enroll your face model. Refer to a separate Getting Started video tutorial for instructions on how to do this. Thank you for watching this tutorial on installing the mobile time clock application. For more guides and tips, be sure to visit our help center at support.fareclock.com. Happy time tracking! Bye!